Daily routines. I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I drive my car.
I drive my car.
I arrive at the office.
I arrive at the office.
I start working.
I start working.
I have lunch at noon.
I have lunch at noon.
I read emails.
I read emails.
I attend meetings.
I attend meetings.
I finish work at 5 in the afternoon.
I finish work at 5 in the afternoon.
I go to the gym.
I go to the gym.
I exercise for an hour.
I exercise for an hour.
I return home.
I return home.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I call my friends.
I call my friends.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I brush my hair.
I brush my hair.
I prepare my bag for tomorrow.
I prepare my bag for tomorrow.
I go to bed at 10 at night.
I go to bed at 10 at night.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I sleep peacefully.
I sleep peacefully.
I wake up early on weekends.
I wake up early on weekends.
I go for a walk in the park.
I go for a walk in the park.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I do laundry.
I do laundry.
I organize my closet.
I organize my closet.
I pay the bills.
I pay the bills.
I plan my week.
I plan my week.
I take a nap.
I take a nap.
I water the garden.
I water the garden.
I watch a movie.
I watch a movie.
I write in my journal.
I write in my journal.
I set my alarm.
I set my alarm.
I meditate for a few minutes.
I meditate for a few minutes.
I enjoy my coffee break.
I enjoy my coffee break.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
I check my schedule.
I check my schedule.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I water the flowers.
I water the flowers.
I say goodnight to my family.
I say goodnight to my family.
I go to sleep.
I go to sleep. Thanks.